dive into the science of butter, a dieter's guide to benefits, risks, and daily limits.
Butter is a dairy product, being made from milk or cream and containing at least 80% milk fat. It's created through churning, a process that separates the solid butter fat from the liquid, known as buttermilk.
Beyond its flavor, butter has a unique fatty acid profile and a history stretching back thousands of years. It's a source of vitamins like vitamin A, essential for vision, and vitamin K2 for bone and heart health. In moderation, it can benefit those needing to increase calories or fat-soluble vitamins, such as athletes.
Its primary danger is in its high saturated fat, which can raise LDL, a risk factor for heart disease. Those with high cholesterol, heart disease, or a milk protein allergy should limit or avoid butter.
Limit saturated fat to under 10% of calories, or about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons per day.
Use butter strategically to enhance the flavor and absorption of nutrients in otherwise healthy foods.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.